All right, on number 1, it says select all the statements that must be true for any scaled copy Q of the polygon P. So this one right here is polygon P. It tells us right here. So we have some scaled copy. Could be bigger, could be smaller, but it's going to look like P. So it says the side lengths are whole numbers. Well, if we look here on the sides, it doesn't give us any length. So we don't know if they're whole numbers or not. So we can't, that one we don't know. All right, the angle measures are whole numbers. Well, if we look at all the angle measures here, they are all whole numbers. There's no decimals here, so the angle measures, remember, angle measures are the same. So the angle measures are all whole numbers is true. Q has exactly one right angle. If remember, a right angle is 90 degrees. This little square right here tells us there's one right angle there. So if P has one, that means Q also has one. If the scale factor between P and Q is 1/5, then each side is multiplied by 1/5 to get the corresponding side length of Q. Okay, remember, to find our new side lengths, we multiply by the scale factor. So if the scale factor is 1/5, then all the sides are multiplied by 1/5. That is true. The next one, if the scale factor is 2, then each angle is multiplied by 2. Okay, angle measures stay the same, so that one does not work. And the last one, 2 has 2 acute angles and 3 obtuse angles. Remember, acute is less than 90. So do we have 2 angles that are less than 90? We have 2 angles less than 90 there. And that obtuse is greater than 90. So 1, 2, 3. So yes, 2 acute and 3 obtuse.